Okay, here is the studio. It's very intentional. It's very planned out. Your upper body. Hi guys, it is really early right now. This morning I have a photo shoot and I need to get this football hoodie done. I need to get my nails done. I have another sweatshirt that I need to get done all before this photo shoot, and it's like in 3 hours. But I'm going to take you to my photo shoot where I'm going to get beautiful pictures of all my embroidered makes. I really hope that the photo shoot goes really well. I just need to finish up this hoodie. This is one that I'm gonna have modeled in my photo shoot today. Also, if you saw my last video, it was with the Coach sweatshirt made with the glitter vinyl applique, and a lot of you had commented that maybe the HTV vinyl wouldn't hold up. Well, I just want to give you an update. I did iron it down. You got to make sure that you iron it down. I also washed it and dried it just to make sure everything was still in place. And I've done this glitter HTV vinyl before, and I've never had any concerns. So I pulled it out of the dryer and it is just perfect. So I have no worries there, but I do really need to get a heat press because I think that would just be very convenient and beneficial because I'm going to be doing a lot of these. So I do want to make sure that I have a really high temperature and that it's going to be secure and it won't peel away. Another thing on my to-do list is getting my nails done. So while the sweatshirt is finishing the stitch out, I'm going to work on this. I always use press-on nails. I'm sorry, this is like a spoiler alert. I just really love the look of painted manicured nails, and I don't have time to sit in the nail salon, so I just take like 10 minutes and glue these on, and they stay on for like over a week. But the key is to clip them down really short so that they don't get caught on anything and pop off. So I keep them really short so it's just an overlay over my natural nail, but there's no drying time or anything like that. They're just super convenient. So sorry, kind of random on an embroidery channel, but I don't know what else to say. I love this. Oh my gosh. Have you ever loved something so much you like wanted to punch it? Okay, let's see what, oh, I love it. This one that I need to get working on, and this is just a practice stitch out, everything hallelujah. So I'm going to do another one of these for the photo shoot, but I don't know. I'm so torn with, do I just do a black sweatshirt? Do I do a green sweatshirt? Do I do a black one with neon pink thread? Do I do light pink thread? Do I do leopard? I do camel. Oh, are you still here? Okay, we're almost there. I'm working on these last minute for the photo shoot because I love, this is a new hat that I have. I got this realtor one done, and then I'm going to do this one. We need to go put it under the dryer, and then I got to pack up everything for the photo shoot. There's a lot of stuff that I'm going to be taking, and then so I am just going to get this heated up. This is my heat press that I use. This is not a heat press. This is a hot air gun that I use. If you need a tutorial on this, how to do the foam, then I do have a video right here somewhere that shows you like how I use this and like the foam that I get. And then I also have some favorite fonts as well. Without the heat gun. So a few things I cannot forget for my photo shoot is always a lint roller, especially black sweatshirts. get lint all over them, or like maybe there's like glitter residue from something else. Oh, and then I got these are like props for them to hold, although I do want to go get an iced coffee with a straw, but this would be cute as well, just for them to hold. And then I got a few sweatshirts here. I've got a lot more hats that I'm getting. And then this is just a plain t-shirt for the girls to change into, because they might have a shirt. Like I like to use a plain black shirt when they are modeling the hats. Tripod. I cannot forget my tripod. You can never have too many tripods. So I'm going to bring this one as well. Oh, and then I need a coffee mug, like a really cute coffee mug. So we're gonna pack all this stuff up, and I'm doing really good on time. So it's 9:15, I'm gonna go upstairs. I have my photo shoot at 10. We are just going to pack up the car and get going. I love these days because it's just another part of being creative. Oh, I also took some pictures for inspiration of the poses that I'm gonna do, so that when we get to the photo shoot, we know exactly, we're not like, oh, do this, do that, do that. It's very intentional. It's very planned out. You wouldn't think that a photo shoot is, but yes, you're paying money to rent out this photo space. You have 1 hour to do it, so we got to make it count. Okay, right now I am in line to get my iced coffee because I really need a Dutch Bros, plus it will look really cute in the photo shoot.
Hi. Did you have the Finalizing my ice with salsa?
Yes. Yes, please. And here we go. I'm excited. So this photo shoot is going to be with my nieces, and they're like blonde and beautiful and very photogenic. And they're going to come, and we already got the poses laid out. I'm here early because when you book a photo shoot, you have to be early so that you can get the code and everything like that, and be inside the photo studio, like right there at your time. So you just want to be like on time so that you get all, you know, you're paying for the hour. You want to be there for the full entire hour. Okay, here is the studio. It's got really good lighting. There's that background. I love this green background. There's also a bed right here. Ooh, I don't like that lighting, but I love the lighting over here. I love this white chair back here. And I'm just going to get a few things out. This is the tigers. Ooh, see, and I love this background. It's gonna be so perfect for fall. Like, okay, yes, that's cute. So keep walking. Okay. Your upper body. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm back. And that photo shoot turned out so good. And I'm going to be working on editing some photos so I can show you a few here in a second, but I cannot stop working right now. I cannot get distracted. I have a few Etsy orders that I've got to get out today, so stick with me. I'm going to hoop up a few of the shirts. Well, while I'm stitching these shirts, I'm going to be editing some photos so that I can show you guys, because I am so excited for you guys to see them, because we've got to get ready for fall. We've got to get ready for our fall. Fall is the busiest time of the year. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. I'm also working on these hats. I got another large order for a hair salon, and I did their aprons a while back. Not aprons, I did their capes, their hair salon capes. It's like this high-end salon, and they're local to me, and I'm now doing these tease hair hats. Peak season is right around the corner, and the creators who win this fall are the ones getting their systems ready today. So if you're frustrated with no orders, it's not because it's oversaturated and has nothing to do with the economy. There is a strategy. Nearly a year ago, I walked out of my 9 to 5 for the last time. Terrified? Yes. But today, I'm building a life of total creative freedom and running an embroidery business on my own terms. Now I want to help you too. I'm hosting a live Zoom workshop where I'm giving you my secrets. Yes, where I source my hats, my crew necks, my exact hack for custom quotes, and how to get consistent orders on Facebook. Now the seats are limited, so click the link and schedule the live with me now. And so I've got to get finished on those. I also need to work on getting dinner made for my daughter. Like, our church is having this fun activity. And here are the pictures. Aren't they amazing? They're going to be going in my email campaigns, on my website, on my social media. I think today was pretty exciting, kind of busy. So I really do hope that you enjoyed the videos.